hoping to give their kids an education and some adventure.
But these parents had no idea what a risk they were taking on a school field trip.
You would think when you provide that money to the school district that it's safe.
Districts in Greater Cleveland and beyond book trips with Discovery Tours. Only today did they learn the company filed for bankruptcy protection. News 5's Amanda Van Allen has been poring over the paperwork, and Amanda, it shed a lot of new light on the issues this company has been facing.
Danita, it has, and I pored over that nearly 2,000-page document, and it showed me that the company was hemorrhaging money. They even took out large loans to try to save themselves. I also talked to one parent today who tells me he has no idea why Discovery Tours kept accepting money if they thought they were in this much trouble.
I mean, we were already starting to try to make plans for what could we do with our daughter, what could we do to kind of replace that exciting event that she was so looking forward to.
Nick Chapman's 7th grade daughter was all set to go to Chicago on a school trip until the company they hired canceled on her and her Lamouth Middle School classmates without saying a word.
The company could just take all these families' hard-earned money and be able to sleep at night and just close shop.
News 5 has been chasing down the folks at Discovery Tours since the news broke last week. They canceled a trip to D.C. with kids from the Minter School District at the last minute. We now know the company is in deep financial trouble, and on Monday they filed for bankruptcy.
They had to know this ahead of time, and so to continue to collect all that money from the families is just really heartbreaking.
Chapman is not alone. According to court paperwork, Discovery owes money to more than 5,000 parents, and that's not all. There's hundreds of thousands of dollars owed to hotels and schools, and family members of the owners took out sizable loans to keep the business afloat. The wife of the vice president putting nearly $40,000 on a credit card, and the vice president putting over $500,000 on his own plastic. All in all, they owe $3.9 million and claim $1.4 million in assets. Through it all, they've remained silent.
There's no public display from them about any of the reasoning behind it, so some kind of answers as far as what happened.
Now, Chapman's daughter will still have the opportunity to enjoy Chicago after her school district stepped up and found the money. Now, according to those bankruptcy filings, there was an attorney named for Discovery Tours. I reached out to her via email and with a phone call, but she hasn't gotten back to me yet. We are live tonight downtown Cleveland. Amanda Van Allen, News 5.